Good morning. Yes, good morning. Mr. Andrew Holness. This is a message and no joke. This one is for you, sir. Good morning. I'm going to give you a idea. And the idea that I'm going to give you is somebody give it to me and I'm going to give it back to you, sir. Mr. Andrew Holness, you have a couple $1 billion where you say you want to fix the road. I'm looking into it deeply and I say for years, top a year, sir. You guys are fixing road and the roads not fix. As look Korean Jew, we not say falling no. As look Korean Jew, the little black, little brown in, wash off of the road, sir, and gone back in a tank, not even patrol like tank. It's one idea me have to give you this morning, sir. Sir, take the money where you have since you're nervous and they make you nervous. Give it to China. Give it to the head of China, the people, and will fix the road. And make them just fix the road. And just as a person would I say, sir, make them fix the road parish by parish. Nobody with the fixing this little this, just fix one parish, and when one parish done, sir, you take it off. When the other parish done, you take it off. A 14 or 15 parish, I'll take your time and fix it by parish, sir. I don't know if this idea can help you, Mr. Andrew Holness. May I ask you, please, sir, if it can help you, just do what I ask you to do, sir. Just give the road for fix to China. If them want to use Jamaica, that their business. Jamaican get enough chances and all them do is destroy them chances. Give the chance to somebody else to fix the road, sir. All right, sir, later.